Your boat is one of the largest investments you will make outside of your home. Make it last for generations to come and give it the finest protection on the market with an UltraLift 2 series from HydroHoist. HydroHoist is the market originator and industry innovator for boat lifts. The UltraLift 2 seamless polyethylene tanks are rugged with superior and innovative engineering and are suited specifically for the marine environment. Our innovative design is formed and molded for better efficiency and safety. With rugged cast steel components and featuring the patented Ultra Grip tank connection, the UltraLift 2 is installed with all of the steel parts above the waterline during standard installation. This design protects your boat from the elements, marine growth, rough water damage, and electrolysis for convenient and carefree storage that will keep your boat looking new for years to come. The UltraLift 2 system features the fastest operating cycle in the industry. HydroHoist UltraLift 2 offers the most innovative, longest-lasting, most user-friendly, best resale value hoist, coupled with the best service and expertise in the market today. The UltraLift 2 series from HydroHoist is truly the best way to protect and preserve your investment.